To connect a Redmi Buds 6 Play into the iPhone or iPad, first of all, you will have to open the case with the both earbuds inside, and right here on the right side you can find this small button. So you will have to click and hold it until this indicator on the front starts blinking quickly. Just like this. Now you can release, put it close to your iPhone, then go to the settings, open the Bluetooth, and then click on this switcher. From other devices list, select Redmi Buds 6 Play, and you are connected right now. You can also go into the App Store and you can download the Xiaomi earbuds application, and it will allow you to get access into the more features of this device. So that's how this looks. You can just click here, download it, and after a few moments we will be able to simply use it. So let's wait for it. Now accept this user agreement and click agree. You can select your region, click next, click skip in the left bottom corner, accept this permission, and wait a few moments. We are automatically connected, and that's how it looks. So that will be all. Thanks for watching.